Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing of geography chapter number 1. So let's start from this activity. You will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also changes. See children, once when you started slowly moving table, the position of the shadow also started changing. So the first one is changing. The first one was here. Then you marked it here. Over here because you have moved the table. Okay. If the position of the sunrise and the sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. अभी आप देखोगे अगर सनराइज और सनसेट है पूरे साल में जो चेंजेस होता गया है वो सालों साल वही चेंजेस चलते आएगा ऑन sunrise or sunset on the horizon are observed from the whole year. You will realize that they keep on changing. It is never stable. They always keep on changing. When the sun will rise, then only the sun will set. Correct? So let's understand. Let us try to understand the reason behind this with the help of the next activity. Now next activity is take a thick stick about 1.5 to 1.7 meter long. See this is the activity. Take a thick stick. This is the stick. Thick stick is it should be 1.5 to 1.7 meter long. Keep some distance. This is the wall. You have to keep it over here. The thick. Now fix the stick near a wall. You have to fix the stick near to the wall that receives sunlight at that time. Now when there is a sunlight, then only you can do this. So you have to fix the stick near to the wall that receive sunlight at that time, sunrise or sunset throughout the year. Now once you fix over here, you should mark here like that. The distance from here till here. Okay, the distance from here to here. Okay, now you cannot stand here for the whole year, so you can just fix a stick for here, and for the whole year you can just clarify first where you have marked, and after 1 year where this mark has gone, it was over here. So mark here and here. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow from that date. The day when you kept the stick, you have to mark the over that, and if the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the change which position after 1 year. If you will see the position of that shadow, the measurement of the distance is been changed from here till here, from here till here. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and sunset on the horizon as well. Now in this, we all know that sunrise in the east and set in the west. You will realize through your observation in the last activity that the place where the sun rises keeps changing every day. In fact, the sun remains in the same place, and it is the earth with its inclined axis that revolves around the sun. That is why, looking from the earth, it appears that the sun is moving either to the north or to the south. The combined effect of the inclination of the earth axis and the orbital motion of the causes season. Now from this activity we have learned that season changes throughout the year. Okay, because of the way the earth moves, the earth revolves around the sun, and it spins on its own axis. Now imagine there was a straight hole that went through the center of the earth to North Pole and the South Pole. But students, the earth axis does not go to straight and down. The earth activity it takes to making an angle of 25 degree. Making an angle of 25 degree that it rotates around the sun. Half of the earth is inclining towards the sun and half is lining away. So the earth's orbit its rotation on the own axis, and it still are all the reason for the formation of the season. This is how the season occurs. Now student, we have completed this chapter. Hope you all understood this chapter. Thank you.